Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use gift card on Flipkart. Alright, so let's begin. There are two methods to use gift card on Flipkart. First of all, open up your Flipkart app and make sure you are logged in. Now choose any item to purchase. Here, tap on Buy Now, and on the next page tap on Continue. Here, scroll down and tap on Add where it says Have a Flipkart gift card. Now you just have to simply your gift card number and then enter your PIN and your gift card will be redeemed. Now second method is go back to home page and here tap on Accounts. Now on this page scroll down and tap on this Save Credit or Debit and Gift Card option. Now tap on this Add Flipkart gift card and here again you have to enter your card number and gift card PIN, and that's about it. So that's basically how you can use gift card on Flipkart. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.